Good afternoon. My name is Win. I'm now recording the 11th self-individual reflection video for LEX 2014 My Traveler. I'm from group 152. This is the last meeting for on LEX. So we were discussing something about the design and layout of our second booklet. After discussion, we plan to have the same design and layout, but the color may have some changes. Means the front page of our cover will be colorful. So we use different colors to bring out our theme. There is sport because sport needs to be more energetic color. So we will mix the color together. So inside the booklet, the layout will be the same, quite same with the booklet one, the first booklet. So all of us uh dis have distributed the tasks and we will in charge on different parts. So I'm in charge on the golf court. So I'm going to insert a photo and write in some description there in our booklet. After that, after discussing the design and layout, all the members are quite how to say. Actually, we are quite touching because we have the chance to work together to to know and meet each other from different faculties, to know new friends. So besides that, it really needs to be grateful, needs to be appreciate all people's effort in this team because all of us are quite cooperate among each other. We are able to plan our time, arrange a time to meet each other every week. So I think after this I have more place I have no more places about UPM, and some people feel like very thankful and some will like very touching after finish the discuss all the LEX video. So it is really happy for me to work together with my group members. So that's all for me. Thank you.